Hello Mitsubishi fans, today we have a Tonka Turbo Tricksters of the Mitsubishi Starion with this Advan delivery. So it did exist, and it's got some wire mesh, like BBS looking wheels, but these are OEM wheels for a Starion. They look pretty cool with these like vents that are chamfered 45 degrees, so I'm going to do a wheel swap on this a little later. But let's first take a look at this toy that Turbo Tricksters did, or Tonka did, but really I think it's actually a ChoroQ mold, and they bought the mold and reissued them. So this one's been used. It's got the Dunlop as part of the tires, but the tires are all beat up. Look at that, it's all torn, and they're actually still soft. They're just not very pretty. So this is all Tampo printing, and it's paint, so it's nice. A little indication of a mirror there, some door handle detail. Going to the front, big air dam, license plate area, turn signal areas, and then the pop-up lights. Little vent there, some Mitsubishi, that's all legible. Technically it's not an Advan, it's an Advan to avoid licensing issues, I guess. Some side vents here. I don't see those on the real photographs, so I'm not sure what the deal is with that. Some ribbing for the windscreen vents, and then some printed on wiper blades. This is literally like a paper sticker. Then this side here we have a fuel filler, makes it different from the other. And then I don't know what these panel lines are for, but I would assume they're on the real car. And then this whole back windscreen. Hold on here, I wonder if this is transparent. It is transparent. Okay, so maybe the windows are a separate piece. We'll find out when we open it. No paint in the back, but hey, it's a red color car anyway, so I guess it works. This is number 11 in the series of Turbo Tricksters. On the bottom, it doesn't tell you a date how old this is, unfortunately. So standard construction of a screw in the front and a tab in the rear. Although this tab looks more narrow than a ChoroQ. I wonder if maybe Tonka just hired ChoroQ to make this mold for them. Maybe it's specific, only Tonka. Leave a message if you know if this casting or a Starion was ever made by ChoroQ, the brand. Okay, yeah, so this tab, I think someone's opened this in the past because you can see the paint scratched off. But yeah, that's not easy, so what I'm going to, oh, there's even like a secondary tab there, which is making it difficult to open. There, you know what? That tooth is awfully large. I think I could just clip that tooth off. So next time, well, there might not be a next time, but that'll make it easier to take apart. Alright, so yeah, the window was a different piece. It's just held in by pressure. And then what the heck is that? The license plate, I guess? Or, oh no, it's a sunroof. Oh, this thing actually opens. I see. We'll do that later. Alright, I'm worried this is brittle. No. Can it flex that motor out? Alright. No production dial on this thing. Are these tires still in good shape? You know, I could actually still probably use these. No, this is just too ugly of a tire, so this one's going to go in the trash, but I'll keep the other one. What I'm trying to do is reuse the axle, so I need some pliers, because it's really tough on the hands. Some vice grips. So just twist that a little bit. Okay, so luckily these are knurled axles, so they're not too difficult to pull off. Just gonna wear out the knurling in the plastic. Let me come back. Alright, there they are. Yeah, I just made them silver. I didn't paint the center cap or anything like that. I had to clip off the front. Actually, I reused different axles from a ChoroQ because this did turn out to have the concentric rings, and it's impossible to tear the wheels off those concentric rings. So this is a ChoroQ motor and axles. Anyways, I left it the standard ride height. So let's look at a few other Mitsubishi's racing vehicles. Oh, let's see, what is this one? This is not a Choro. It is a Wanda coffee promo. So canned coffee in Japan, and I guess this is on sold with it. Funky little deformation. A lot of details for a free item. Look at all the printing on this thing. Alright. Here's a ChoroQ of an FTO. I 3D printed my own wheels for that one. Toys Dream Project. I think that's a store in Japan. Here's another Wanda. The Car Rally Lancer of sorts. A lot of paint again. Different deformation. And then we have a Choro of a Evo 6. And this has 3D printed wheels. I bought this as it was. Someone customized this and I just bought it. So very neat. Here's a Choro of a Pajero, and I 3D printed these wheels. This is from the 04 Dakar Rally. And that last spot is for an old school Starion. And how old is this? This is from somewhere in 1980, in that ballpark. It's got funky treads, funky text on the tires, and it's just very crude looking. Starion Rally, I see. It looks like a DeLorean Back to the Future thing with this, but literally has paper stickers or foil stickers on it. Pretty good molded details though, just not much paint. So let's put that right next to that Starion and take a look at this here from a low angle. Okay. You can look up reviews of all these other ones. I guess that's it for today. Yeah, Tonka Turbo's Tricksters. Yeah, again, I'm curious if this casting existed in ChoroQ. There's no database of ChoroQs. It's a real shame. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.